Welcome back to TCG Battles. I'm Rick. How's everyone doing today? Hope you're having a wonderful day. And as tradition, we are continuing with the ETB battle of Pokemon Center versus regular one. And we are doing round 2 with Paradox Rift, but we are doing the Iron Valiant version today. So let's go ahead and take a look at these boxes. They both look pretty nice. We got the Iron Valiant, that's the regular one, and here is a Pokemon Center one. I think this one looks a little bit better. So last time I voted on this one, the Pokemon Center one, taking it. I'm going to do the same thing. It has more packs, bigger hit, but it was really close because I believe this one had 2 ARs and the other one had 2 EXs and an SAR. So it was pretty tight. I personally would say it was a draw. Alright, so the only difference, we'll take a look at this box. Only real difference here is you get 2 extra packs, and then the promo, you get an additional promo, which says Pokemon Center. So we'll take a look at that. That is a beautiful promo. We'll put that back in there. Take a look at this. The sleeves. And where are the dividers? Oh, there they are. So the dividers are basically the ETBs. This is the regular one, and then this is the view of the Pokemon Center one. Alright, so we'll put that there. And we'll get into it. Let me know up if you voted, or please vote which one of these 2 ETBs will hit better, or just have the better hit. I don't want to say hits or hit. Alright, let's see. These ones are not as thick as the wrap, isn't as thick as the other box. Let's go fire. Steel for TamFam right off the bat. Pumpkin Boo. Alright, we'll put those up there. Alright, not too. Crocla. Chlor. Ambipom. Snorlax. This needs a full art. This absolutely needs a full art. I don't know why they haven't given Snorlax doll a full art. They need to. Aegislash. Alright. Alright, come on. Code card. I'm gonna go with fire. I'm not gonna get one. Ooh, do I see something shiny? Croclore, Tulaloop, Volcanion, Huchen, and Sarcophagus. Sarcophagus. Alright, so that's 1 hit. Not bad, not bad. EX. Alright, let's see. Let's go with water. Grass, okay. Purloin, Minfu, Ferroseed, Gibble, Tinkaton, Kevin, we got Bessel, Bonsweet, a Phoebus, and a Ting Lu. Alright, Garchomp packs hit. Garchomp packs hit. This is a Psychic Energy incoming. Psychic Energy. Grass. Alright, come on. Plessel. Toxel. The Donzo. Chantal. Garbodor. Give me Ghoul. Crustle. And a Galissapod. Okay. Alright, so we're looking for the Mela. We're looking for the Iron Valiant SIR. Basically any SAR, SIR is going to be good. Darkness. Complete opposite with Lightning. Blitzel, Bonsweet, Phoebus, Steenie, Gliscor, Blitzel. It's Conda, right? Yeah. Swablu family! Oh man, that is a hilarious one. I love that one. That's a good one. Swablu, art rare, hanging in with the Wingull. He is doing some nice hiding in there. All right. Let's go Steel. There's the fire that I've been saying. Alright, Wimpod, Elekid, Tinkertoof, Kevin, Slitherwing, Plusle, Parasol Lady. Let's see the full art or SAR. Brute Bonnet. Alright, come on. Last time we only got 2 hits out of the regular ETB. Let's see if we can beat that today. Alright, let's go ahead and go with, say, Fist Bump. Surge. That means it's going to be a big pack right here. Water Energies for Surge. That means big hit. Alright. Let's see. Wiggle, Wiggle, Wiggle. Lockix and a Xatu. Alright. Garbodor packs hit. I gotta keep saying it and hopefully it happens. Alright. I mean Garchomp. There's a Trubbish though, Garbodor. Alright, let's see. And let's see Grass. I'm 1 off. Alright, so it's gonna be fire this next one. Or Beetle. Do you like Milk Tank? And a Garganack. Garganackle. Alright, last pack Magic. Alright, is ETB's 2 hits? That's it? That's kind of low. Let's see. Alright, let's go with Darkness. Fist Bump. Shout out Albino. Alright, come on. Let's see. A big hit. Screamtail. Swablu. Honedge. And Latios. Alright. Very similar situation as last time. 2 hits. This time, though, it is an EX and an art rare. Last time it was 2 art rares out of an ETB. This one's cute. I like this one. Alright, so let's put you there. That can go there. Let's open this up. Yeah, I usually recommend to most people not to open the Pokemon Center ones. If you're going to buy them, probably keep them for your sealed collection if you do that. If not, just open the regular ones. They're easier to come by, not as expensive, and I think they hit about the same. That's my opinion, but maybe you've had different experience, so let me know. There's one. And number 2. Screamtails are pretty cool. I'm loving this little iron bundle guy. Future robot. Just rocket up the hill. Pokemon Center regular one. We'll put that up there. Alright, let's see. 3, 6, 9, 11. Alright. 11 packs. Wish me some luck. Alright, let's go ahead and guess. Let's start off steel. Last time it was steel. Let's do steel this time. Alright. Darkness. Okay, okay. Golbat. Larry. Yamask. Sunskirt. Larry has seen some things in his day. Flittle. Technical Machine. And a Latios. Alright. Come on. All it takes is one good pack. Alright, let's see. Water for Surge. Psychic. Alright. Spinda, Tinkatink, Tandem Mouse, Professor's Turo, Rika. If you've opened up a Pokemon Center ETB, how are your hits? Let me know in the chat. Or if you're rewatching, let me know in the comment section. How was your Pokemon Center ETB? Is it worth it in your opinion? I've given you what I think in that sense. All right, let's go ahead and go with grass. I will get one energy, yes. Cyclozar, Turbo, Plusle, yeah, Valenzuela, let's go. All right, come on, and a Hu-Chen. Okay. Pokemon Center ETB coming in with an art rare, matching the one over from the regular Pokemon Center ETB. All right, let's go ahead and go with fire. I will get one, I promise. All right, let's see. All right, we skipped a lot right here. And a Kingdra. Wow. All right, we're gonna do a surge. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna clear this right here. We're gonna do a surge speed one. Go. All right. I think that was pretty quick, but I could be wrong. All right, let's go ahead and do Steel. Von Sweet, Phoebus, Kevin, Turbo Energy, Toad School, Tandon Mouse, and an Iron Moth from the future. Mothman has futured up. Alright. Let's go ahead and go with, let's say, Darkness. Alright, come on. Big Hits, Trainer, Steenie, Honedge, Donzo, and Hu-Chen. Getting down to that nitty gritty again. Alright, come on. SAR. I think there's a hit in there. We'll find out in a second. Let's go ahead and do grass. Wow, I'm like one behind everything. Alright, I'm gonna do grass again. Next one's grass. Wood Trio, Techno Radar, Steenie, Future Boost, Nicked at Night, and a Professor Turbo. Nice. Okay. Come on. Another hit. One more hit. And the Pokemon Center one wins it again. That would be 2 in a row. Right now, I think it's tied. Alright, let's see. Second. No. Grass. I said it was going to be grass, but I was wrong. Masquerain, Ancient Boost, Elekid, Wiggle, and a Kingdra. How many Kingdras can you count? That's a lot of Kingdras, it feels like. Is that going to be the troll Pokemon of this set, the Kingdra? Alright. Let's go ahead and do water. Alright, come on. Second to last pack this time. Toxel, Flittle, and a Tapu Koko. Alright. I think hit-wise, we have now won with the Pokemon Center ETB. Let's see if we could put a final one down. Last pack magic. Come on, last pack magic. Let's go lightning. Fire. Okay. Let's see that fire hit. Defiance Vest. Mag Baby into a Steelix. Womp womp. Alrighty, so not too bad. We got ourselves a Swablu and the Kafafafafas EX, and then we got a Venezuela AR, a Professor's Turbo, Full Art, and a Tapu Koko. So I think Pokemon Center might have taken it. If you think otherwise, let me know down in the comments or in the live chat if you are watching the premiere of this. If not, just drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll catch you guys at the next one. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and have a good one.